Hello everyone, my name is Maria and I'm going to be your mentor in this course on prehistoric, Southwest Asian and Egyptian archaeology. My background is that I have a BA in this subject and almost an MA in the same from the University of Copenhagen in Denmark. What I specialize in is the the pre-pottery Neolithic of Southwest Asia, mainly the Levant. So Jordan, Israel, Palestine, and Syria is what I know the most about. And I also do childhood studies in prehistory, human remains, gender and burial rites and rituals. But this one, it's going to be on the archaeology of this area. So this is the introduction video to me in the course, and there's also going to be a video about the archaeology, the history of archaeology in the Middle East, because this is quite important. So the first class is going to be about the Epipaleolithic or Natufian, which includes the last hunter-gatherers in Southwest Asia. And then also we're going to talk about the hunter-gatherers in Egypt. So the thing is that things happen slightly differently in Egypt and Southwest Asia. So in Southwest Asia, you will have the last hunter-gatherers before you have the last hunter-gatherers in Egypt. But we're going to figure it out. It's going to be fine. So in week 2, we're going to have pre-pottery Neolithic in Southwest Asia and the last hunter-gatherers of Egypt and the Neolithic. Week 3, we're going to go into pottery Neolithic in Southwest Asia and early agricultural societies in Egypt. 4th class is going to be the Chalcolithic in Southwest Asia and the Naqada 1 to 2 in Egypt. And then class number 5 is going to be Ur and Uruk and in Southwest Asia, and then the Proto-Dynastic in Egypt. So, as I said, it's 6 weeks. So week 6 is going to be mainly focusing on gathering everything together, make an overview of what we've been doing, and you have that last week also to get the last assignments done, because we have assignments. I will make one for every class, so I know that you follow along. You don't have to hand them in right away. You can hand them in by the end of the course. Ideally, you would hand them in weekly, of course, because that would make it easier for me to see that you understand what I'm telling you, or teaching you, sorry. The assignments are going to be a quiz sometimes it's going to be a short essay, just so I know that you know what I'm talking about. I will give you my WhatsApp and my email, so you can reach me there if you have any questions. I'm thinking that every week I will make a video where I answer your questions, and every week the classes are going to be a video, but also you're going to get PDFs about what I'm saying. I think that's the best way to do it. We'll see. Maybe it's a shit way to do it, and I will have to adjust. But this is the plan for now, and I'm looking so much forward to teaching you. And I hope this will be a great success. And looking forward to meeting you all. Bye.